I would start this procedure by gathering all the supplies I need. I would get my insulin, my alcohol prep pad, and I would select the correct needle and syringe, and I would get one that's appropriate for insulin that measures in units. Alright, I would wash my hands before I began, and then I would select the correct insulin. It says Novolin R, and that's right here, and I'll make sure it's not expired, and it's not. Then I would get Novolin N, which is right here, and I'd make sure it's expired, not expired, and it's not. I'd begin by rolling the NPH in my hands to mix it up, and if they were refrigerated, I would do the same to both. Okay, now I'm going to clean the tops of both of them with an alcohol prep pad. And then get another alcohol prep pad and clean the other. Okay. And to start off with, I would draw up air, whatever the in air is, which is 26 units. So I draw up 26 units of air. And I would inject it into the N, being careful not to touch the liquid. Inject the air and pull it out. And then I need 10 units of the regular, so I would pull down 10 units of air and inject it into the regular. And then invert it. Inject the air and pull down 10. Being careful to get the air bubbles out. And I would get another licensed nurse to make sure that that's 10 units. Okay, now I'm going to draw up the NPH, which is 26, so I have a total of 36 units when I'm done. So I'm going to inject the needle into this, invert it, and pull until it's at 36. Being careful not to overdraw. And get all the air bubbles in that. Okay. Then I'd get a licensed nurse to check that that's 36. Then I would loosely recap the needle with the scoop technique and take it to the patient's room, and I would give this subcutaneously in the right lower quadrant.